In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the coil pack boot in your Kia Optima. Located under the hood, let's get started. We're going to be removing the engine cover. You're going to lift on the corners. And you're going to do the same in the back. Take it out of the way. And now we get access to our coils. For this demonstration, we're going to be removing this coil pack right here. With a small screwdriver, we're going to pry on this gray connector tab. Once you have this gray connector tab off, go ahead and pry on the connector. Slide it out. And now using a 10mm socket, we're going to remove this bolt. Once you have the bolt out, grab the coil and slide it up. Moving over to the bench, we're going to go ahead and replace the boot. We're going to start at the bottom. Simply grab on this rubber piece and slide it out. Like so. Grab a small flathead screwdriver and pull this spring out. Next up, we're going to remove this little boot that's located over here. Grab yourself a small screwdriver. You want to pry on it a little bit. You're going to go all around. And now you're going to slide it off. And here's the old one. Now we can go ahead and install the new one. We're going to start with this boot. If you notice, the new boot has like a flat area, and then this has a lip. You want the flat area to be facing the top of the coil. So slide it in. And make sure you bottom it out to the top. It should look like this. Next up, we're going to install the spring. Slide it in. Next up, we're going to install the bottom boot. Make sure that the spring is in place. Go ahead and slide it in. And push it all the way in. And the boot should hold the spring in place. After you're done, it should look something like this. Now let's move over back to the vehicle. Now we're going to go ahead and slide our coil in. Line it up with the hole. Start the bolt by hand. Get it snug. And now we're going to torque it to 9 foot-pounds. Next up, we're going to plug it back in. Slide the connector in. And make sure you lock this gray tab. And you repeat the same process on all 4 coils. Now we can put the engine cover back on. When you do this, you want to line up these 4 holes with these 4 knobs that are located on the engine valve cover. So go ahead and line it up. Once you have it in place, go ahead and push it in. And that is job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.